Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to open the task manager. You can go to search bar and simply type your task manager from the search results. Click here to open it. And once we are here, we need to click on the run new task. Here it is. Then go for browse button. Once we are here, select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Then we need to open system32 folder. Just keep scrolling down until we find the folder. So double click on it to open it, and from here find out this CMD file. To search it quickly, just keep pressing C from the keyboard until we get this file. Once we get it, select it and click on open and check this box. This will create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, just close the all background windows and we will focus on the screen. Now type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take a lot of time to complete the process. It will check everything from the system, and till then we will minimize it and we will move to the next methods to fix our problem. Now just go to search bar and type your Microsoft Store. So right click on Microsoft Store and go to its apps settings. Once we are here, we need to just keep scrolling down until we found the reset section. Then we need to repair it, and then you can also use this option reset, but it will, the apps data will be deleted, so try to use the first one only, and then close this window. Now just right click on the start icon and select settings and click on these three lines, select apps and go for the install apps, and from here we need to find out the application which we are having problem with it. So for example, I will take this one, Google Chrome, or I will take simply the window media player. I will click on these three dots, go for advanced options, and again from the reset section I will repair it, and if it still isn't running correctly, I will go for reset one. So this process will take just a few seconds to complete repair and reset. Once done, close this window, check this one, and this one also completed. So type exit to close this window and simply restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So that's it guys, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.